Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, the place where you get the latest tips, tricks, and insights into making the most out of your social media experience. Today, we've got a super handy guide on how to share someone else's Instagram story to your own story. Yes, you heard it right. It's a fantastic feature for when you find something inspiring, fun, or just worth sharing with your followers. So let's dive in. First things first, let's clear up who can and cannot share stories. You can only share someone's story if they've mentioned you in it. Unfortunately, if you're not mentioned, there's no direct share button. When someone mentions you in the story, you'll receive a direct message notification like this. To share this story to your own, tap on the notification. Here you'll see the message and a link to add this to your story. Go ahead and tap that. And voila, the mentioned story now appears in your story editor. From here you can get creative. Feel free to add text, stickers, or even doodles to make it uniquely yours. Once you're happy with it, just tap your story at the bottom and it's shared. And that's it. This is how you can share someone else's Instagram story to your story. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like, share this video, and subscribe for more awesome content.